Welcome to Performance Unlimited. Today we have one of our 347 450 horsepower packages on our dyno. We just did our break-in procedure, set the timing and carburetor up for our customer. This thing runs fantastic. This particular engine is going in a F-150 pickup truck. That's why it has this Canton oil pan on there. That's a special pan for that particular vehicle. We can get an oil pan for pretty much any kind of vehicle, whatever you guys have. We can get it. If we can't get it, we'll have it custom made for you. This particular package features Enelbrock E-Street cylinder heads and an air gap intake manifold, along with an Enelbrock 750 carburetor. We have an Eagle rotating assembly in this engine. We use all high quality parts in these engines. This features comp cams, hydraulic roller camshaft, Manley push rods, comp cam springs, and fully rollerized rocker arms. We have nothing but good stuff in these engines. This is not a nickel and dime store rebuild. Where I believe we're priced, fairly for the market, and definitely priced fairly for the quality of the engine. If you're interested in an engine like this or any one of our other many engine packages, please visit our website or give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance.